In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new template and save it using Pandadoc. First off, if you haven't already, log in to your Pandadoc account. You'll find the left sidebar is an essential navigational tool, and right there, you'll want to click on Templates. This section is where all your template creation magic happens. Up in the top right corner, you'll notice a button labeled Plus Create New. Go ahead and click on it. Now you have a few options to choose from. If you're feeling creative and want to build your template from the ground up, select Blank Template. This is a great way to customize and truly make the template your own. Alternatively, if you already have a PDF or Word document that you'd like to use as a foundation, choose Import File. This option saves you time by letting you build on existing content. Lastly, Pandadoc has a range of pre-built templates available in their template gallery, which can be incredibly useful for a quick start. Once you've made your choice, it's time to begin editing the template. Pandadoc offers various content blocks you can add, such as text, images, tables, and more, to structure your document effectively. You can also insert fields like signature, date, and text fields, which make your template interactive and ready for real-world use. For those who want advanced customization, explore the Variables tab, where you can create variables to use throughout your template. It's important to note that as you work, Pandadoc has an auto-save feature, so you don't need to worry about saving manually. If you want to rename your template at any point, it's very straightforward. Just click on the template name at the top and enter your preferred name. It's that easy. Once you feel satisfied with your masterpiece, simply exiting the interface will ensure your template is saved and ready for use in your Templates section. Now, perhaps you have an existing document you'd like to convert into a template. Start by navigating to the Documents tab in that trusty left sidebar. Open the document you wish to reuse. You'll see an ellipsis, 3 dots, located in the upper right corner. Click on it and select Convert to Template. Pandadoc will then take care of the rest, automatically converting and saving the document as a template. You'll find this new template appearing promptly in your templates list, ready to be reused whenever the need arises. And there you have it. Whether starting from scratch or converting an existing document, Pandadoc provides an intuitive and efficient way to create and manage templates. Embrace these tools to streamline your workflow and craft professional documents easily.